Welcome back to American Dream Mansions, the channel where we take you inside the world's most extraordinary luxury properties. Today, we're stepping into an ultra-exclusive, $25 million masterpiece located in the heart of London, a white and golden architectural gem that represents true elite living. From the very first moment, this mansion captures your attention with its breathtaking design. As our drone rises above the property, you see the bright white exterior shimmering under the daylight, enhanced beautifully by elegant golden accents that make the home stand out in the entire neighborhood. This estate blends classic English style with modern luxury, creating a timeless look that is both grand and sophisticated. As we approach the entrance, the beautifully landscaped gardens guide us through a stunning driveway that leads to the main door. Every detail, from the trimmed hedges to the soft golden highlights around the windows, has been designed to perfection. Even before entering the house, you feel the aura of luxury surrounding you. Stepping inside, the living room immediately speaks the language of grandeur. High ceilings, white marble floors, and golden decor elements create an elegant atmosphere. Natural light pours in through floor-to-ceiling windows, giving the entire space a bright and airy feel. The custom-designed furniture adds style and comfort, making this room perfect for family gatherings or relaxing evenings. Next, we move to the TV lounge, where comfort meets luxury. Soft sofas, warm lighting, and a beautifully designed entertainment setup make it the ideal spot to unwind. This space keeps the same white and gold signature theme, creating a seamless flow throughout the entire mansion. Now let's visit one of the most important spaces in any home, the kitchen. This state-of-the-art kitchen features premium appliances, a large marble island, white cabinetry, and subtle golden trims that elevate the design. Whether you're cooking daily meals or hosting lavish dinner parties, this kitchen offers both functionality and elegance. Right next to the kitchen, the dining area is designed for unforgettable moments. A stunning golden chandelier hangs above the luxury dining table, adding a touch of royalty. The space is perfect for intimate dinners or large gatherings, with plenty of light and an open, welcoming layout. As we continue the tour, we step into the bedrooms. Each bedroom is designed to offer comfort and privacy, with large windows, warm lighting, and soft white and golden tones. The master suite stands out with its spacious layout, premium decor, and a walk-in closet that truly defines luxury living. The bathrooms are no less impressive. Featuring white marble, golden fittings, large mirrors, and a spa-style layout, they offer the perfect environment for relaxation. The master bathroom includes a large soaking tub and a beautifully illuminated vanity area. Now, let's move toward the wellness section of this mansion. The private gym is equipped with high-end fitness machines, bright lighting, and wall-to-wall mirrors, creating the perfect setting for daily workouts. Moving further, the spa area offers a peaceful escape where one can unwind and recharge. The highlight of the outdoor area is the stunning swimming pool. The bright blue water set against the white flooring and golden outdoor lights creates a resort-like atmosphere. Whether you're enjoying a sunny afternoon or hosting a poolside party, this space brings luxury and comfort together beautifully. The garage offers ample space for a luxury car collection, making it a dream for car enthusiasts. The playing room and working room add more functionality to the home, ideal for entertainment and productivity. Finally, as the drone pulls away, to give us a full property view, you can appreciate the mansion's architectural brilliance. The white and golden exterior glows under the sunlight, and the entire estate stands as a symbol of elegance, comfort, and unmatched craftsmanship. Thank you for joining us on this incredible tour. If you enjoyed this luxurious London mansion, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to American Dream Mansions for more breathtaking home tours from around the world.